So in wireless speaker radios like this, suppose if you want to insert the battery, then 1200 mAh battery is used in these radios, and you can insert in the back side. There you can see, so you can see a cover in the back side. Is in the must simply remove this jack. So if you remove this cover, then you can see a battery here, 1200 mAh battery, and you can see. So if you want to replace the battery, you can take out this, and so this is the positive side and this is the negative side. So you must reinsert a new battery like this, the negative side touching the spring and the positive here. So you can simply insert like this. After that you can close this cover. So this video, it's it. For more videos like this, subscribe. Thank you.